Minyue Technology has launched an intelligent welding solution without code program. Only need to set up the steel workpiece on the table. Great vision line laser scanning can identify the type and location of the workpiece. Reverse modeling can complete the high-precision welding work. Automatic planning of the welding trajectory. Automatic identification of weld seams. The accurate line laser accurately identifies the weld seams. Compared with the traditional robots, without code programming, avoiding the downtime of the programming of the welding process, greatly improving the accuracy and reducing the scrap. It greatly improves the precision and reduces the scrap rate. It also supports batch drawing import and automatic workpiece identification.